Hello creative mind, welcome home. I'm Survival and I'll be showing you the breakdown of how I played the song. So this is how I play this song. This is what I play using my right hand. Mi, so, mi, fa, do, mi, re, fa, re, mi, ti, re, do. Mi, so, mi, fa, do, mi, re, fa, re, mi, ti, re, do. Mi, re, do, ti, la, so, mi. Then mi, fa. So when I play this mi, re, do, ti, la, so, mi, I'm playing this fa. I harmonize with fa on my left here, and then did it like this: fa, do, fa, sol, la, then so, ti, re, so, and then do. On hitting this do chord now, what I played was do. Then on my left, what I played was do, sol, la. I played this chord do, mi, la, mi, va. I played this one do, fa, la, re, so, ti, do, sol, la, mi, va, re, so, ti, do. So basically in my right hand I'm using this chord do, mi, so, do, mi, la, do, fa, la, and then ti, re, so. Those are the chords I use. When I'm playing do, sol, la, I harmonize with do, mi, la. Then when I play mi, fa, I harmonize with do, fa, la. Then re, so, I harmonize with ti, re, so. And then ti, do, I harmonize with do, mi, so. So what the styles I use basically is this. So that's it. So that's it. If you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.